Hello everyone, I'm just want to make a short video, let everybody know that I'm still out here. It's been 5 months since I recorded a video, but let everybody see what I've been kind of up to. I'll let the train pass. Hopefully I can keep this camera halfway steady. But anyways, I've been putting in these signal lights, number one, that let me know which way the turnout is switched to. And let's see, you got a couple more down here. See if I can't make one of them switch just for the heck of it. Damn. Sorry about the jiggling camera. I was trying to hold that still. Not doing a very good job of it. Sorry. But anyways, you can see that I've put a couple up there. Hopefully the camera's going to pick up on it. A couple down there. And then right along. Put a couple in here. And I don't know if you can actually see the little number there. But then I'll have the corresponding switch. Where are you? There you are. With the same number on it. Let's get that. And I've also been working a little bit on my trestle and surrounding landscape, which ain't much at the moment. I realize that's just plaster, but I gotta get that to where everything sits right before I can put any track over top of it. But here again, all these little turnouts are going to have the lights. Again, it lets me know which way the train is going to run or not run. Still got a long ways to go. Been doing a lot of work on the honeydews over the summer. Still have a lot to do there, but managed to mess up my knee, so I'm having a heck of a time getting any more work done for a little while until I get to see the doctor in the middle of January. What's that, about a month and a half away? Anyways, that's about it for now, and if you liked the video, go ahead and hit a thumbs up or something. Oh well, if you didn't, you didn't. Okay, we'll see you next time.